Method 1. How to restore iPhone via setting. This method does not require a computer, is easy to execute, and is perfect for users who want to quickly reset their iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on your name at the top to enter the Apple ID settings. Step 3. Go to General and then select Reset. Step 4. Choose Erase all content and settings. Step 5. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm your decision. Method 2. How to restore iPhone with iTunes. There are two methods to restore your iPhone using iTunes, depending on the condition of your device, whether it's functioning normally or in DFU or recovery mode. 2.1. How to restore your iPhone in normal mode. Step 1. Install and open iTunes on your computer. Mac users should use Finder. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. Locate and choose your iPhone once it becomes visible in iTunes or Finder. Step 4. Navigate to the Summary tab and select the Restore iPhone option. Step 5. A confirmation window will pop up in iTunes. Click Restore, and the system will erase all data and reinstall iOS. Step 6. Once the restoration process is complete, you can choose to set up the iPhone as new or restore data from an iCloud or iTunes backup. 2.2. How to restore your iPhone in DFU or recovery mode. Step 1. Make sure you have the latest version of iTunes installed for Windows or macOS Mojave and earlier or Finder for macOS Catalina and later. Step 2. Turn off your iPhone and connect it to the computer using a USB cable. Step 3. To enter recovery mode, follow the steps for your iPhone model. iPhone 8 and later, press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 7 series, press and hold both the volume down button and the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. iPhone 6 seconds and earlier, press and hold both the home button and the power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Step 4. A window will pop up in iTunes or Finder prompting you to restore or update your device. Select the Restore option. Step 5. Wait for the restoration process to complete. iTunes or Finder will download the latest iOS firmware and restore the iPhone to its factory settings. Step 6. Once the restoration is finished, the iPhone will automatically restart.